Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Well, take a look guys, I am here to show you what I personally have been doing to my under eyes. Now when it comes on to the under eyes, you know the under eyes could really age you, and that is why you need to pay attention. You need to focus on taking care of this area under the eyes, because you know a lot of us struggle with dark under eye circles. When we take that makeup off and you look, sometimes it's so embarrassing. It's like totally dark. There are wrinkles under there. Your eyes, if you're like me, look really weak, and it's something you can actually work on, like I did and I'm still doing. Like years ago, I have severe dark under eye circles, and you could tell. You could go back, you could watch some of my older videos and you're gonna see that. And I try my best to start with a little more effort into it, because I realized that without my makeup I just couldn't go about and feel confident. So I turned to eye creams. I make them myself, and now that I have my skincare line, I have eye cream here that are inspired from my DIY. So take a look at these three eye creams that I'm going to focus on today. We have the Chichi Beauty Super Collagen Peptide Eye Cream. We also have the Chichi Beauty Anti-Aging Supreme Eye Cream, and we also have the very popular Chichi Beauty Caffeine Eye Cream. We're gonna talk all about who needs, for what, why should you use, and when do you need to use under your eyes. So the first thing that I do when I'm using my eye cream, I make sure my under eyes is clean. Now how do you clean your under eyes? And I like to share this little tidbit with you all. You take like a wash rag, and this is actually a tissue, but you're gonna use a wash rag, and what you do, you use it under your eyes, windshield wiper, zoom, not too much pressure now, and you clean that areas, and also go on the top. And especially if you use makeup, just clean without the pressure. And once that is done, that area is ready. I spritz toner all over my face when I cleanse my skin, and I sometimes be reaching for like my green tea toner or my fresh rose coconut water toner, and I spritz those all over my face, and then it is now time to use my eye cream. I use all three of these eye creams. You don't need all three. You can choose to just get one, or you can get two, or you can just get all three. So I'm going to tell you who needs what for what. So focus on the collagen peptide eye cream. This is it right here. Now if you have eye bags, and if you have your under eyes kind of look a little shrunk in, like, you know, like when you're totally stressed out and this eye area is just showing all the stress that is going on in your life, and you're looking to smooth it out, you're looking for something to make it look like everything is just perfectly fine, that's when you reach for the Super Collagen Peptide Eye Cream. It's an eye cream you use AM and PM. Now what is this collagen in this eye cream all about? The collagen is what helps to keep the skin firmer, it helps the skin to look plumper, and it works just like that under your eyes by getting rid of that deep shrunken, getting rid of the wrinkles under the eyes while shrinking that eye bags if you have it. This is also good for dark under eye circles, don't get me wrong, but you're gonna see better result if you find that you have the eye bags, the shrunken under eyes, and also the dry under eyes. So when you get your Super Collagen Peptide Eye Cream at home, it comes like this. You open it, and there you have it. All you need, and let me find a little spatula here, is just a little bit of the eye cream. You reach inside, and this here is too much, okay? That is too much, but you can use this amount on both eyes. So you take a little bit of the eye cream like that, just a little like that. I sometimes do this with it, and then I just dab it under my eyes. I dab it under my eyes and at my crow's feet, because it helps to get rid of that wrinkles. And believe it or not, I like to dab this one over my upper lip. So now I go back in and I do my little thing, and I press this eye cream under my eyes, on my crow's feet area, dabby on my upper lips. Also use it wherever you feel like using it, even though it's an eye cream. Why did I put it on my upper lips right now? I put it on my upper lips because that is where, you know, sometimes you get wrinkles when you're showing your age, right? So once I apply it under my eyes, I just do a thing like this and I let it dry under my eyes. So that is how I use my Super Collagen Peptide Eye Cream, and that is how you can use it at home. Also, you can get all these eye cream on my website, alexmaxi.com, home of the Chichi Beauty skincare product. So Super Collagen Peptide, who is going to try this one, reach out and take it. Take a spatula, dip in it right now and apply it under your eyes and watch those eye bags disappear. Any product you're using on the skin, you need at least 6 weeks before you can claim that the product is not working on the skin. But with our eye cream, if you follow the direction and cleanse and use religiously, you will see results in a few weeks. So that is the Chichi Beauty Collagen Peptide Eye Cream. Is this one for you? Comment below if you think this one is for you. Now let's move on to the others. Now you are out there and you look in the mirror without no form of a makeup on and you just see just blackness under your eyes, and whether you're, regardless of your skin color, you can see the difference. If you're really on the lighter spectrum, you see that it's all brown under there, like totally different from the rest of your face. What do you need for that? You need the Chichi Beauty Caffeine Eye Cream. This is it right here, the Caffeine Eye Cream, and this is a natural caffeine eye creams with vitamins and caffeine. This also have with a circulation. I reach for this at night. I like to use this under my eyes at night. So when you get it at home, you open it like that. Go ahead guys, take your little spatula, dip it right in there now, give it a try. I am sharing this with you right now, so dip your spatula in and let's go. Or if you have yours at home, reach for it and let's go dabba 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 dabba. So at night I take a little of my caffeine eye cream, just a little right here. This is a 1 ounce jar, guys. It is a 1 ounce jar. It's a large jar. So you take that eye cream and just like the Super Collagen Peptide Eye Cream, I just in my hands and then I just dab it under my eyes. And I like to use above my eyes, and I also still use this on my crow's feet. Dabba 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 dabba. And now I'm gonna go on the other side, do it like this. Clean under eyes. Anytime you're gonna use your eye cream and you want the best result, you make sure to cleanse the areas under the eyes, on the entire face. That is, and yes, I also use my caffeine eye cream over my upper lips. Use it wherever you feel like using it, and because it have wrinkle fighting properties, and that is my little frown line right there. I fill it in, but it is really designed for your under eyes. And now that we have it under there, not too much pressure. Don't be like, ooh, no, just press it gentle under the eyes, press it and on the crow's feet. And as I said, I like to use it at night. There it is. Grab you some of this caffeine eye cream, guys. Go ahead, grab it and use it on a spatula so you don't have to dig your finger in it to contaminate it, and use it under your eyes for a best result. Caffeine eye cream I use at night. However, if you just have the caffeine eye cream, you can go ahead and you can use it in the daytime. You can use it midday, morning, noon, or night. It doesn't matter. You can use it 3 times a day. If you live somewhere it's very hot and you tend to wash your face often, every time you wash your face, go ahead and reach for it, put it under your eyes, massage it under your eyes, and you're on your way to clear under eyes. You're on your way to looking younger. I said it. Yes, I said it, because whenever your face is not looking right, this area on the face is not looking right, you tend to look older. Ask me, because I've been there. Ask me, because I have been there several times. So that is the caffeine eye cream. And now drum roll, we're reaching for the Supreme Eye Cream. The Supreme eye cream. And what is this Supreme eye cream all about? It is an anti-aging eye cream. So who really need this? Okay, for the caffeine eye cream, anyone can use it, okay, regardless of your age. Now, most people, when they get to a certain age, they want something for themselves a little stronger, something that's gonna work with the aging skin. This is it right here. This is the anti-aging Supreme eye cream. Good for under eyes wrinkle, good for shrunken under eyes, good for eye bags, good for puffy under eyes, good for crow's feet. This does it all, okay? This is the all-rounder anti-aging. The only difference is it's anti-aging. So we recommend it for, let's say you're in your 40 upwards, we're recommending you grab this. Now remember, anyone can use this anti-aging cream. Don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying it is more geared towards, you know, anti-aging people that are getting on a little older in age. So let me open this one. And when do I personally use this one? I use this one all the time, and sometimes I even mix them. There you go, with the Supreme eye cream right there from Chichi Beauty. I am showing it to you in all its glory, and I don't have the box here for you to see. So all you need is just a little touch of this eye cream. And since we try all, we're gonna try this one also. Going in with my spatula, get out a little of the Supreme eye cream. Which one of these you're digging so far? As a matter of fact, I don't want you to be like, oh, I'm digging this one, I'm digging that one, the bottle look good, the color look. No, what I want you to focus on is what you need for your under eyes. Do you have extreme dark under eye circles? If you have extreme dark under eye circles, go for that caffeine eye cream, which is right here. Now look under your eyes and tell me what's going on. Is there wrinkles under your eyes? You look a little shrunken and it's a little puffy. Then this is what you need. And right now we are on the Supreme, which is for all under eyes concern. So you can choose to grab the Supreme if you're like, I just want one that's gonna do everything, since everything is going on under my eyes. My under eyes is dark, my under eyes have wrinkle, my under eyes is dry, my under eyes have eye bags. Then you just grab the Supreme eye cream right here. So don't just pick one because, as I said, you like what it look like. Pick it for what you need for your under eyes. And I would also encourage you all to do two, any two. So if you have severe dark under eye circles and you grab the caffeine, I would still encourage you to pick up the collagen peptide. Use the caffeine one at night and the collagen in the daytime. If you have everything going on, go ahead, grab the Supreme, but also go ahead and pick up the collagen peptide. Notice I pair the collagen peptide with everything. So that is it, guys, and this is the Supreme that I just used. Good for AM and PM under your eyes, and you can choose to put it in the frown line, you can put it at the crow's feet and the upper lips like I just did. They are available on my website alexmaxi.com, and anyone can just go and grab one or grab two. I'm gonna leave a discount code for you. As a matter of fact, go ahead and look in the description box for the discount code. Pick one, pick two, or pick all three of these eye creams, but whatever you do, you need your under eyes to look brighter, clearer, fresher, softer, supple, radiant, and just younger looking. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That is my time. It's all about eye cream, all about the dark circles, all about puffy eyes. Grab your eye cream at alexmaxi.com. Which one do you want? Do you want the super collagen peptide? Do you want the caffeine, or do you want the Supreme? You can choose to pick one, or you can choose to pick all three. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave those comments. But most importantly, don't forget to take care of your face, your under eyes, and a whole. See you in my next video. Shop alexmaxi.com. Visit my store alexmaxi.com. Also go and watch some of my other videos that is on this channel page.